In this video, I'll show you how to change a table saw blade using a DeWalt table saw. Begin by removing the throat plate. Next, unscrew the fasteners that are holding the throat plate on the table saw and take off the throat plate. Raise the blade to the maximum height using the crank on the side of the table saw. Now you can clearly see the blade. Use one wrench to hold the arbor and the other wrench to loosen the nut. Hold the wrenches such that you apply force in the opposite directions on each side. If your table saw comes with an arbor lock, only one wrench is required to do this. Push down on the arbor lock with one hand while using the other hand to loosen the nut with a wrench. Once the nut is loose, hold onto the arbor nut and slowly rotate the nut using your thumb and index finger. Remove the nut while making sure it doesn't fall into the table saw. Remember to remove both the nut and the washer. Once the washer is removed, the blade is free to be taken out. Carefully remove the blade and keep it on the work surface. Next, you need to install the new blade on the table saw. To do this, place the new blade in the arbor. When doing this, make sure the blade is installed in the proper orientation. The blade should be facing downward and rotating clockwise as you feed it with wood. Once the blade is in place, replace the washer and nut into the arbor. Tighten the nut and washer using the same method you used to loosen it. Once the blade is fixed in place with the nut and washer, replace the throat plate. With that, you've successfully changed your table saw blade. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.